Yes, ma'am.
I know the House is going to be taking up these abortion
Yes.
measures, rather. Some Democrats have called on President Biden to declare a national public health emergency. Would you support that? Others have also said that his administration was too slow to respond with those executive actions. Were you satisfied by the administration's response in the fallout of Roe?
I have no question about this administration's support for a woman's right to choose and to take the necessary actions to ensure that. This is something that is core to who we are. It's about freedom, it's about health care, it's about respect for women, and that is something that the president is wedded to. In terms of that's more of a scientific decision, and certainly we would all be open to that. But the fact is, between now and if that can happen, we will pass the Judy Chu legislation tomorrow, which takes Roe v. Wade into the law of the land and protects it from some of the assaults that have occurred since it became upheld by the Supreme Court. But I wouldn't waste my time on figuring out how enthusiastic this White House is about a woman's right to choose. They're there, and for the first time in 2018 was the first time that we had a pro-choice Congress. We had Democratic majorities, but we aren't always pro-choice. So we feel pretty confident about what we can do. But much of it will spring from the community itself, from women themselves. And that's what is so, I don't want to say beautiful to behold because it's so tragic, but so encouraging to see, is that women understand this is an assault on their dignity, assault on respect for women to be able to make their own decisions about the size, timing of their family. And by the way, women's right to choose is a kitchen table issue. Contraception, birth control, they are kitchen table issues. They have an impact on the financial well-being of a family in terms of the timing or if a family is going to expand. So this is something that this president, I have no complaint about it. We're always impatient. This is who we, welcome to our world. There's never been a time when outside groups are not impatient for more. I can say that with some authority, being the recipient of it, but also being the contributor to it. Before I came to Congress, I was chair of the California Democratic Party. We were never satisfied with what the elected officials did, timing-wise, intensity, and the rest. So that's the beautiful part of a democratic system. Any other women? Yes, ma'am.